Hi there. Based on our research, the GameOn partners have produced 7 models to approach game design. The formative approach is one of them. Usually, the formative process is practiced in non-formal education settings. Young people join in to design one or more game prototypes. Young people get involved in most phases of the game design process. The project does not include the dissemination and multiplying stage. The primary goal is to learn and experiment with the game design process. Following a formative approach, young people get involved in the following game design stages: developing a concept of the game, game development, game testing. Formative game design has unique features. Usually, young people get involved in collaborative work through a guided and planned participation process. Participants have a deep interest in learning how to create a game they can use in the future. Each small group creates a different game, usually a prototype version. In many cases, they miss a more extended testing phase and do not focus on the dissemination of the game. This game design approach has a limited and structured time from 8 days to 9 months, depending on the project structure. Depending on the project topic, young people with various profiles. The process is facilitated by youth workers from non-governmental organizations and expert trainers. Usually, formative game design offers training courses where young people enroll with a particular interest in the topic, the potential of games as resources, or in the game design process. Specific training sessions are facilitated by group facilitators and expert trainers. These are some personal, social, and civic competencies young people can develop in formative game design projects. You can further explore examples of formative game design. Join a learning playlist on methodological models in game design.